Bali-balita nga ngayon ang warrant of arrest na inilabas na ng korte laban dito kay Archie Alemania. Matatandaan na nagsampa ng kaso at inireklamo nga ni Daniela itong si Archie sa kasong Act of Lasciviousness. Korte nag-issue na ng warrant of arrest laban kay Archie Alemania sa kasong isinampa ni Rita Daniela. Mula nga sa naging update ng kami.net.ph, ang Bacoor Court has issued an arrest warrant against actor Archie Alemania. This is in connection with the acts of lasciviousness filed by actress Rita Daniela. It can be recalled that Rita accused Archie of allegedly kissing and touching her without her consent. Rita also accused Alemania of alleged making inappropriate remarks against her repeatedly after a Thanksgiving party that they attended last September. Before the issuance of the warrant of arrest, Alemania had already filed a counter affidavit against the complaints last December. Bacoor City Municipal Trial Court in City's Branch 2 indicated that Alemania may post bail of 36,000 pesos. After a careful evaluation of the information, the resolution investigation data form, the complaint affidavit of the complaining witness, and other pertinent documents, the court finds probable cause to hold the accused for trial. Considering that the accused is at large, let a warrant of arrest be issued against him. In the Philippines, acts of lasciviousness are penalized under Article 336 of the Revised Penal Code with imprisonment ranging from 6 months and 1 day to 6 years, depending on the circumstances. If the offense involves a minor, Republic Act No. 7610 imposes more severe penalties, with imprisonment ranging from 6 years and 1 day to 12 years. Rita Daniela de Guzman Iringan is a Filipina singer, actress, and television host. She started her career after being the first grand champion of QTV's Popstar Kids and became more popular after portraying Aubrey Palomares in My Special Tatay. Matatandaan na naglakad itong si Rita Daniela ng kanyang hinaing matapos nga ang ginawa ni Archie Alemania na magkakasama nga sila sa Thanksgiving. Binigyan siya ng ride ni Archie at doon na nga sa sasakyan ay ginawa ni Archie Alemania ang against sa will ni Rita Daniela dahilan para ireklamo niya at sampahan ng kaso ang nasabing kasamahan niya sa trabaho o kapwa niya kasama sa isang serye. Parehas ngang nawala ang dalawa pero bandang huli ay naisama pa rin si Rita sa nasabing serye. Yan ang ating showbiz stop update. Thank you for watching. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe.